Good morning, everyone. I hope you're all doing well and staying safe. Today's video is going to be all about 5 different ways that I use my mini pochettes. So if you're interested, keep on watching. Hi guys, it's Jan from Jandle In The City. We're unbox luxury goods, pre-loved items, and on occasion some beauty products. So today I want to show you these 3 little beauties that I have, my mini pochettes, and how I use them on a daily basis. So the first one is going to be of my little monogram. This one I use as a makeup bag. So inside I've got my Chanel blush. I've got a Chanel lip gloss. I've got a perfume by Salvador Ferragamo. I've got eyeliner by NYX. I've got a mascara. I have got an eyeliner by Mally Beauty. She's in Beverly Hills. And I've also got Brow Power by IT Cosmetics. And that's what I put in this little mini pochette. The next one I have is this one. And what I carry in this one is basically, I use it as a wallet. There is my Chanel card case with all my cards and things like in it. I also use it to put my keys in. I also carry my lip gloss. So that is my second use. So first one's used as a makeup bag. Second one is used as a wallet. The third one is my damier ebene. This one I use as, for my jewelry when I'm going away, or if I'm taking it, to work and I don't want to wear my jewelry on the bus or the SkyTrain, any type of transit. I've got in here my Alex and Andy bracelets, which I wear these every single day. I've got in here a pair of gold hoops, which is really good to wear, to keep in there at all times, because you never know, you can always wear a pair of gold hoops. And then I've got in here a couple pouches. Let me just grab these here. We'll undo one at a time. And these are all from Tiffany & Co. And this is my first one that I carry in there. And it's my sterling silver bracelet with the multiple hearts on it. That's the first one I carry in there. I like to keep them all together so that I know where they are. And then the other one I keep in there is, just pardon me a second, are my Tiffany heart earrings that I keep in there. As well as I also keep in here, I like to wear these every now and then, are these sterling silver stud earrings. So I like to keep those together in that pouch. And then the other one is this bracelet here, which is a Tiffany bracelet with the blue heart on it. I like to keep that in there as well, because they always look nice. You can wear them, dress them up, wear them casual, wear them to work. So that is number 3. So the fourth way that I like to use these little mini pochettes is as a first aid kit, because you never know when you're going to need something. So in here I've got a lip gloss, a lip balm. I've got Visine. Never know when you're going to have allergies. I've got some Neosporin. And a couple size of Band-Aids. I've got my cuticle care when I need that when I'm dry. I've also got my hand lotion. I've got some dental floss. And I've also got a couple of my hair clips in here, such as that. The fifth way that I use these little mini pochettes is as a handbag. You can also use them as something like a belt bag, and I will give you a mod shot and show you how that I'm using them. I'm going to show you how to wear this little bag as a belt bag. So here's the first way that you can wear it, guys. And you can be hands-free when you're shopping or, you know, going to take the kids to school or anything like that. What I do is I just loop it through the loops here on either your jeans or your pants. Then I loop it back through this part here and I wear it like that. So hands-free, something like that. The other way, guys, that you can wear your mini pochette is such as this, as a crossbody little bag. You can see there. I just added a pink leather strap from one of my Coach bags. I've just looped it onto the end here and looped it on here. So you can wear it as a crossbody bag. Very nice, very convenient when shopping, you know, running around, things of that nature. You can also wear it as a shoulder bag, such as this here. And I have changed it out from a leather strap to a gold chain that came with one of my other bags as well. So you do have multiple uses on that. You can also remove the chain and use it as just a little tiny handbag such as that. Like this. You can also carry it such as like this on your wrist, as well if you take the chain off here and you connect it to this end. You can also carry it as a wristlet. You can also use it as a little clutch and a catch-all inside your larger bags. So as you can see, it does have multiple uses. So guys, that's the way that I use these mini pochettes, and I'm sure there's lots of other ways that you can use these little guys. Multiple uses, like I said. And on these bags you can use, like I said, different straps. Got a pink one here, pink leather one. I've also got a green adjustable strap that I can use there, as well as multiple different chains that you can hook onto your mini. So guys, till next time, define your style. Don't be afraid to express it, because that's who you are. Have an amazing day. Stay safe.